It's the Dexter Kitty Cat Show.
Where's the kitty? Where'd the kitty go? Where's the kitty? Is that my kitty? Is that my baby? Are you stuck? How'd you get down there? How'd you get down there? Huh? How'd you get down there? It's a kitchen remodel. Well, there you are. You climbed up. The door's strapped shut still. And what are you doing? You got lost. Where'd you go? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Where? Where? There's the kitty. Hi, kitty. You want out? Come on. Come on, Mommy will get you out.